That little black thing.
Yeah, we got to get it out of the way over there. I'll take it in this side or that side.
Let's see. I think we can get her out.
Don't drop everything.
I only dropped 2 bullets there. I had damage in that one.
Oh yeah, this has been beat up, repaired before. Because see, this is the front cylinder, and this is actually the one that's burned down. So they've rebuilt this engine before. So we're gonna recut that. We won't use that. Let's try not to drop all the bolts. I'm taking this apart here, Joe.
Don't throw it in that bag.
Hang on a second. What is the bore on that? Standard? Oh. How did they manage that?
Slab.
Yeah, it probably shouldn't have had standard pistons in it. Probably should have been bored out.
Don't throw them in there.
So it's still at standard bore. We'll be able to bore it out again anyways. Use the jug, no problem. We go half over on it, as long as we don't see too deep of scratches in here. Definitely looks like it leaned out, huh?
This one has a really good seal on it.
Not with that little hammer. Okay. There you go. Got that lay it over on its side, Joe. Stick that right down in there. There you go. I would use that pry bar. There you go. You got it
the wrong way.
Stand it back up. You got to lift the bed plate up out of the
gasket.
Yeah, just glue it down good. That's all. Easy. Is it broken or anything? Any cracks? Here, let me see. Hold on a second. I don't see any cracks on it. Okay, hold on a second. So yeah, this one's roached really bad. And this one is starting to score up. So this one's next. Yeah, that one's next. The center one was doing pretty good. Definitely been rebuilt. Has a lot of crap down there on that crankshaft. I mean, the crank looks really nice up here, but down here there's quite a bit of you know, metal in there from the piston, so that's all going to be in the bearings and stuff. Anyways, so also right here you can see on the back of the coupler all this shiny spot. The engine was too far back up against the old PTO coupler, so when they reinstalled the engine, they didn't have a big enough gap. You have to leave a little bit of a gap right here, and they didn't do that. This one's kind of scratched up pretty good right here too, yeah. A little bit. That's definitely the
that one's probably the air.
I think it's because they you know, didn't replace the pistons or the bore. They just kind of honed them out. It's probably really I mean, they, you know, on the cylinder they didn't bore it out, so it probably has pretty good, you know, too much skirt clearance on it. That one's in there pretty good. Air tool.
Yeah.
Stuck in there pretty good. Might cut it right there. That sucker's in there, dude. Oh, well.
Every time I busted my hand on that thing because of this.
Yeah.
This is the one that's gonna get.
Shoot it that way, man.
Greatest tool ever.
So go ahead, Joe. Bed plates are always so loud.
Sometimes those things are stuck in there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it blew that last engine pretty good. No, that repair is on the front. Alrighty. Pop that right there, can't you? There you go. see that one side. Let's set it down here for a second and look at it. Turn it over and set it right here. Is that where it was repaired? It was,
No, it was on this.
It was on the mag end? Yeah, it was the mag end.
On the lower case.
Okay.
Don't look too bad.
Yeah, okay. Looks like they got it. Looks like it was sealed up pretty good right there. Here, hold that for a second. Yeah, it was welded right here before, see? So this is the mag end that showed the damage on the head on top. And someone's repaired it. They put a new crank in it and everything, so... But it is... the bearings kind of sound kind of raggedy, don't they? Grab that rod up like that, Joel. You set that thing down. You set that right on the ground there. Yeah, and grab the two rods here. Okay, go ahead and roll it. Looks like it's still turning pretty good, but anyway. All right, put another one in that baby. They're going real messy here. So, anyways, that's it. Had a repair before. The mag end blew. This time it's the PTO end.